What is going on? Well, what is going on? What is happening right now? Why does this look like this? Oh my gosh, I can't do it anymore. I'm quitting. What the hell? What the hell? That's not the right one. That's not the right one that we needed. This is what we needed. There we go. Now we're back. We're good. We're good. What's going on, you little day trading animals? You guys are just fiending. Everyone's fiending for some action today. And well, we might get some. Not sure. It's looking a little bit slow right now, but I'm looking at a couple different stocks. We got IMRN gapping up this morning. We got a couple things popping around, moving around, doing some things. So, right now, I'm keeping an eye on a couple different stocks, two different stocks, and I'll talk about that here in a second. But yeah, some big news coming out yesterday about Schwab. And then after I posted my video saying that TD Ameritrade would also follow suit, you know, I could see the future here. TD Ameritrade came out basically a couple hours later and said that they're going to have free trades as well. So that's kind of nice. I did not go live yesterday because I had no Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi was down basically all day yesterday until about 3 p.m. So I posted about that on Twitter if you don't believe me. But yeah, I had no Wi-Fi, so no trading yesterday. Basically, just I don't know, what did I do yesterday? I don't even remember. Did something. All right, so let's take a look here. Right now, I've been keeping an eye on UNFI. It's kind of painful because I could have gotten short up here at the kind of 870 area. Had a chance to get short there, and now it's down there to 835. Just wasn't a lot of volume. Only 122,000 shares traded so far, so that was a little hesitant to just go and jump in there right away. But you can see, yeah, that would have been a good idea now. That would have been a nice, good idea, I guess. So, you live and you learn. How long is the free commissions with TD? The free commissions is forever. It's for forever. Forever. So, we'll see. I think in the future, basically every single broker will offer free commissions. Also, I'm going to go ahead and say that E-Trade, I pretty much think I would believe that E-Trade would also follow suit here very soon as well. They haven't announced anything yet, but I'll go ahead and say that E-Trade will have free commissions very soon. You go ahead and quote me on that. You can go ahead and quote me on that, if you know what I mean. So, the problem is, it's easy for these big brokerages like TD Ameritrade, for E-Trade, for Schwab to drop commissions because they make money off of the wealth management side, and all that. So they make a lot of money on that type of stuff, and they're also selling to order flow. But it's going to be a little bit more difficult for places like Lightspeed and SpeedTrader and these smaller brokerages that really kind of depend on commissions, So that's the big question here. What's going to happen to places like SprintTrader and SpeedTrader without commissions? They basically need commissions to stay in business. So it's going to be interesting to see kind of what happens here in the future, or going into the future, I guess I should say. So this morning, IMRN up there to a pre-market high of $4.10. You can see here on the 5-minute chart, we've got that $4.10 area as resistance so far pre-market. Had a little pop up there to the 402, but pre-market high so far is $4.10. So, woo! Keep an eye on that $4.10 area. So, it's looking good right now. Well, the only problem with IMRN is that it is basically restricted in terms of margin with SureTrader. So, yeah, that's not any fun. That's not any fun. That's not any fun, my friends. So If you are trading with SureTrader today, well, IMRN, no margin on that one. So, also, what else we got? We got VHC yesterday up there to the 680 area, and then pulling back down there to the 570. How are you getting laid now, Patrick? What? Huh? Weird question to ask. But this morning, I'm keeping an eye on VHC, possible short opportunity later on, if that looks good. So IMRN, that's the other one. We already looked at that one. PGNX also this morning. I guess there's a merger. There's a merger this morning. So some bad news for PGNX, also down 5%. And then we got UNFI. UNFI dropping so far yesterday from 11.10 this morning down there at $8.30. So we got a couple stocks making some moves today. We got the SPY also gapping down this morning. You can see here the SPY, the S&P 500, the overall market kind of index here. You can see this big drop so far yesterday, really just getting crushed from the 298 area down there to 291. So we got some action, baby. We got some action. And so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. I went out last night. I went out to Wynwood in Miami. If anybody's ever out in Wynwood or Miami and you want to buy me a drink, hit me up on Instagram. You know what I mean? Only if you're a cool dude. Well, you could also be a cool girl, but if you're a cool guy and not that it matters if you're a guy or a girl, but if you're ever, you just want to talk some shit, find me. Find me in Wynwood. We'll have a drink. Drink's on you. But this morning, TVIX, a nice little bounce already from $15 up there to $15.44. Yesterday going from $13 up there to $14.90 and pulling back there. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. So 1460 gapping up there to 1550, the TVIX. Good old VIX, it's been a while since I've traded TVIX. Been a while. But yeah, I'm just kind of sitting back here waiting and watching. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited for the day trading competition. A lot of people have been messaging me about it. Actually, people that I was surprised. A lot of people that I was surprised would actually reach out. So I think it's going to be pretty good. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter, if I win or lose, but it's going to be fun overall, just to kind of put everybody into one little kind of battlefield here. Who's going to come out on top? Who are you guys putting your money on? That's the question. Maybe we'll have some little side bets. We'll start a little gambling, some bets. The subscribers can bet on who's going to win, who's going to be the number one YouTube trader. I mean, don't count me out. Do not count me out. I'm going to work hard. I'm going to go hard in the paint. I'm going to be training these next 2 weeks, getting ready. October 21st, the inaugural, the number one, the best YouTube trader of the world. It's going to happen. I'm still working on who's going to be competing. Like I said, I'm going to try to make it so it's only going to be YouTubers for this first one, just for the first ride. So after that, maybe we'll do a subscriber competition later on this year. But for now, I think it'll be cool just to have a YouTube. All the YouTubers, all the top YouTubers battling it out. I'm trying to get ClayTrader. I got to get ClayTrader. ClayTrader's so mad and angry all the time. I don't know if he'll do it or not, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Will I let Ricky in the contest? Oh, I would love for Ricky to sign up, but I doubt Ricky will. I did see that Dekmar, Madaz, a couple guys talking about it. So Kevin Avery, a couple YouTubers popping up there already. Nobody's confirmed as of yet, but I will get more confirmation soon. What about Ross? I highly doubt that Ross Cameron will enter the contest. I would highly doubt that, but we'll see. It's open. You know, if Ross wants to sign up, if Ricky wants to sign up, I got no problem with that. Boiler Room, anybody and everybody who has a YouTube channel, they better sign up. I'm putting everybody on blast here, and you know, it's a really I think it's a cool little opportunity. Jordan Belfort, yeah, let's get him in there. That would be great. I'd love to have the Wolf of Wall Street in there. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. PGNX up there to $4.75 now. Trying to rebound a little bit here. Trying to rebound from here. Ah, Wicked Pissa. It's gonna be a Wicked Pissa. Is that what we're gonna call it? I'm thinking of some names that I'm thinking about. Maybe like Patrick Whelan's Day Trading Battle Royale, or maybe Patrick Whelan's Day Trading Extravaganza. What do you guys think? Extravaganza or Battle Royale? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Leave a comment in the live chat right now. Battle Royale or Extravaganza? What are we thinking? Battle Royale? Okay. Okay. The last one standing. Basically, the funny thing about this whole thing is I was talking to Kevin Avery the other day. I was like, man, you know, it doesn't really matter how much money you make. It's really about who has the most amount of money at the end of this. If everybody loses all of their money, right? If everyone loses everything that they had, but one guy still has like $5 in his account, he's going to win. It's not about who makes the most money. It comes down to who keeps the most money. So maybe one guy only trades, you know, really conservative and only kind of, you know, hides his, you know, is very safe about it. Well, then, and everybody else blows up, he's going to win. So that's the cool thing about it. It's not about who makes the most money. It's really about who's going to actually be the most, you know, consistent trader, I guess. I think is the best way to look at it. It would be fun. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. I'm working on some new stuff for that, so I'll let you guys know once we have more. There is no commissions. There is no. It's not a percentage gain. It's about who has the most equity in their account by the end of the week. That's what it comes down to. Yeah, no, we'll find out who is the worst trader as well. We're gonna find out who's the best trader and who is the worst trader on YouTube. All I hope is that I'm not the worst trader. That's all I hope. As long as I'm not the last place, as long as I'm not the last place, yeah, that's all I care about. I don't want to be last. If everybody beats me, I might just quit YouTube. That's what I might put on the line here. If I'm the last, if I get last place in this contest, I might just quit YouTube forever. I can't let that happen. I can't. I gotta stay strong here. I gotta at least get like third from last. We'll see. I mean, I know if you ain't first, you're last. Trust me, I know how that works. I'm all about that life. But for this contest alone, I just want to make sure I'm not last place. I mean, I think there's a really good chance that I'm going to win, but, you know, I would also like to not be last. Ooh, that would be kind of nice. Do a live fishing stream. You know? Live fishing stream. So we're looking here at the Yapper, getting a little off track there, but right this morning, we got IMRM, we got VHC, AXSM. Look at the volume on those things. The volume just not really popping up there right now, so that's not looking good right now, my friends. Not looking good in terms of volume overall, but man, I still got this really stupid, like sinus infection or something. My like nose just won't stop. It's really annoying. I'm gonna how do I don't know what to do. Hold on 1 second. I don't really want to like film myself blowing my nose on the live stream. Ugh. Do I trade Dust or DWT or JDust? Nope. Nope. No ETFs, basically. No ETFs over here. So what do we got? We got about 15 minutes here till the market opens. We're just kind of hanging out. No, the seawater is what gave me the damn sinus infection. Or the brackish water, the water behind my house, basically. Got me good. VHC, I'm just keeping an eye on VHC for why is it so hard to say? VHC. VHC. You know? Hey, Kevin Bello wants a shout out. Well, that'll cost you $5 next time, my friend. Yes, everyone's going to zero commissions. TD Ameritrade, Schwab. I guarantee that E-Trade will also have free commissions very soon as well. So, do I think that IMRN is going to go to the moon today? Well, let's take a look at the chart. Let's just take a look. We've known that IMRN has, oh gosh, I'm dying, has made moves before, big moves. There you can see from $3 that day, that morning, oh my gosh, gapping up there from $4 up there to $7.25. So we know that IMRN has made big moves in the past. We do. We pretty much know that. So it's got a small float. It's got 2.9 million shares in the float. This morning, it's up over 36%. So we'll see what happens. Oh, gosh. Pro Trader Mike. Seems like he's angry. Limiting to 20 trades per day, not 10, because then you look for the small one-hit wonders, and that's not trading because I'm joining and want the best chance for the contest to be legit and real. I don't know if I would. I don't really care what stock they're trading as long as it's oh my god, as long as it's a NASDAQ listed stock. I mean, it's really what it comes down to for me. No penny stock, no OTC, no options. That's really all it comes down to. You can trade however you want, but yeah. I'm dying. Kayla Renee, she got the cure for me. She got the cure for me. You know, and also at the end of the day, the best part about this YouTube trading contest is that, you know, people are going to, you know, have to basically show their trades and all that. So if someone does do something that's like just stupid, like it's very obvious how stupid it was, you know, like if someone trades some stock that has zero volume and they make a bunch of money, like I get it, like you can do that, you know, you can do that, but it's going to be pretty obvious, you know, so everyone's going to see that. So if you want to be that guy, like if you want to be the guy who does something stupid like that, then be that guy, you know, that's fine. But like I said, like you're going to be that guy. So you basically are going to be publicly humiliated. That's the best part about it, is I get to make videos every day talking about all the other traders. So I'm excited for that part, you know. I love some good drama, and I'm sure it's going to be a drama-full week. Every day I'll be posting videos talking about kind of what I did and then what other people did as well, trading that day. So it should be a lot of fun. Kind of a slow morning so far. We're looking here at the Gapper list. Really right now, IMRN is the only thing that's got some decent volume on it. We've also, what is that? SFIX also with some volume on it. And yeah, we're just sitting back here. It's been a slow couple months. I don't know. Maybe it hasn't been a couple months, but it was a slow September, really slow September. So hopefully October can pick up. I'm hoping that we get some action that week for the contest, because it's going to be really gonna be a really boring week if we don't get any action. So that's my goal, my hopes and goals, my dreams. I saw that VIVE yesterday making a big move, and I didn't have any Wi-Fi. But I mean, really, what from $5? What did it go from? $5, and then just got crashed, got crap back down. So yeah, I should just stop live streaming so that way we can actually trade and do some fun stuff. Hey, Sean Galligan making some money. You probably made some money on GoPro the other day as well. I remember GoPro, you were short there at the 525 area, and I saw later on that GoPro ended up going lower that day. So congrats on that, Sean Galligan. Just making money over here, you know. He's at least somebody's making money around here. That's all I care about, you know. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. What's up with GoPro? I don't know why I took the GoPro today. GoPro, man, it's been like, look at this. From 475, big bounce up there, pulled back. Look at this chart right now. This is the 5-minute chart, and it's just been like rink, pull back, rink, pull back. So what do you guys think? You think it's going to happen again today? Similar to that? We might get a new high there above $6. Anybody? So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. It's look at the pattern. The pattern has been basically repeating itself for the last 3 days. So we'll see if we get one more big pop today on GoPro. So one more big pop, and maybe we'll get another pullback. Can I give you the link to the contest? There is no link to the contest. The contest is going to be basically invite only at this point. So just trying to keep it very slim. Just trying to keep it tight. You know, trying to keep the contest right for this first version of the contest. Trying to keep it focused on YouTube channels, YouTubers. It's more of a YouTuber contest than really anything. But we'll probably once we figure out how to do this first contest, I think it'll be cool to do like a subscriber contest in the future. So basically, all of the subscribers can sign up from the channel, and I'll put up some money, and whoever wins that, you know, who's going to be the number one day trading channel subscriber trader. I think that's a pretty cool title as well. So we'll set that up in the future, maybe in like November or December. Do like a week-long contest that's only for the subscribers. Donald Hensley has an announcement. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I got a feeling I know what it is, though. All right, let's hear it, Donald Hensley. Let's hear it. You're going to be donating $10,000 for the winner? Huh, I like it. Don't leave us in suspense here. Ooh. SureTrader coming up with $1,000 to match my $1,000. Okay. There we go. Now we got $2,000. $2,000. Okay. All right. I like it. Now I'm going to actually, at least, you know what's good about that is, at least now when I do win, I'll actually make $1,000. So that's kind of nice. I do appreciate that, Donald Hensley. I do appreciate you actually bringing some money to the table so I can win some money. We'll see. Maybe some other YouTube channels will also match my 1,000. Let's see if we can get some people out there. All these big shots, all these YouTube big shots. You know, everyone's like a big time shot out there. Everyone's big shot. Let's see if somebody else wants to step up and put some money up. You know, put their money where their mouth is. So we'll see. I'm the only YouTuber so far who puts his money where his mouth is. So let's get serious. Well, we got about 7 minutes here till the market opens. 7 minutes till the market opens here. Taking a look here, just looking at the gapper list. Looking real slow right now. IMRN, VHC, AXSM. A couple stocks kind of bouncing around right now, but I don't know. I'm keeping an eye on. Problem now is like, I was looking at UNFI earlier. UNFI already down there to like the 830 area. Was looking to short here at the 870 area. Just not enough volume on this thing. Only 170,000 shares traded. So, I don't really know. I don't, it's one of those things. So. That'd be pretty sick. We're gonna do a fantasy fantasy day traders contest. Once I'll put up another video soon, and we'll figure out who's going to be entering this day trading contest very soon. So just stay tuned. Just keep on watching, baby. It's only gonna get better around here. VLRX. We got the SPY now down there to 291. 291 on the SPY right now. So we got about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, or what about 4 minutes till the market opens here. So looking slow right now. Looking slow across the board, but I'm gonna sit back here. I'm going to sit back here. I'm going to wait. I'm going to watch. I want to see what happens. Going to see what happens here. Oh, my gosh. What is this? What is this? So, yeah, we're just chilling, hanging out. ZYXY. Let's take a look at ZYXY. Just popping up people talking about it here. ZYXY going from 980 up there at $10.50. No volume so far. Only 4,000 shares traded. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this thing. Look at the spread right now. I got about a 60-cent spread. 40-cent spread. Up there, yeah, well, 1050. So that's a big old just green candle with no volume there. I'll give it 10-1 odds that Ricky does not enter the contest. That's gonna be that'll be my odd maker. I'll give you a 10-1 odds that Ricky does not enter this contest. Just saying. I'm just saying. The problem is I don't think. Wait, is UWT? Is you guys? I think you guys. Is that a NASDAQ stock? No. Yeah, you guys and like Dust and all that are not a NASDAQ stock. So what would he do? What would he do? Ooh. I think I'm dying. I've got some type of sinus deal going on here, and it's not looking pretty right now. I might just be dying. Yes. I love that I've now claimed the title that I've basically made it so that the market is dead every time that I live stream. Yesterday, I did not live stream, and there was a stock that went up. Today, I live stream, and there's no volume. Isn't that just hilarious? Just hilarious, people. IMRN there, stuck at the 370 area right now. You can see that 370 area really holding it down there. 370 holding it down. We're looking for some action here. Looking for some action above 370 possibly there on IMRN. We got, what about 30 seconds? So a little bit longer than that till the market opens. 1 minute till the market opens here. No. 30 seconds till the market opens. 30 seconds till the market opens here. So trading is not about action. Okay. Now we got philosophical trader of the day here. Why do I keep taking it? GoPro. Look at that little pop up there to the 54 area, and they're just kind of gapping down right there. It's kind of funny. That's what happens when there's no volume on something like this. We're looking for action. We're looking for volume. We're looking for something. Give me something, people. Let me party. I want to party. It's a party. All right, here we go. Market is now open. I'm keeping an eye on a couple different stocks here this morning. Looking to see VHC right now. Getting hammered there. VHC, ooh. 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 Down from the 575 area now on VHC. Looking for some more volume there on VHC. Getting those red candles there at open. The SPY bouncing that 291 area right now on the SPY. Ooh, it looks like it might want to go lower here. Looking at the scanner. I'm keeping an eye on the scanner, my friends. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. Keep an eye on the scanner all day. Is VHC a dip buy? No, VHC for me would be possibly a short. If this, oh no, I might have missed out on that short there. IMRN getting stuck there at the 370 area. We talked about that one before the market opened, so we definitely kind of, not that we saw that coming, but we had a plan there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just getting crushed right now. Everything getting crushed. Basically, if you're a stock right now, you're getting crushed. Oh. I think I'm dying. I think I got a fever. Oh my gosh. This could be bad. This could be the end of my career. Everything is just getting crushed right now. Looking like one of those days where it's just, just sit back and kind of wait. You might be wondering, why is it that, why not short something? Why don't we short, But it's like the volume. Volume's not there. Can't really short. Oh my gosh, UNFI. Oh no. UNFI dropping just from 830 down there to 70.90. Talked about this one earlier this morning in the live stream. Was looking to get short there at the 870 area this morning. Didn't have any volume on it. Look at it now, down there to 778. So, I am not. There should be no delay. Maybe like a 1 second delay, but it should be pretty much real time. I think, right? I think. What do you get? How? I don't know. What do you guys? Do you see me being live? Is it real time? Do you guys? Right now, the stock price of UNFI for me is $7.85. What is it for you guys? I wonder how much the delay is. I'll tell you what, my scanner is real time for you guys. There's no delay on my scanner, if that means anything. This is real money. Real money. 18 seconds delayed. Wow. That's a pretty big delay, actually. It shouldn't be that long, actually. I don't know why it's that long. ZYXY from 1010 up there to 1075 now. Huh. What are you guys thinking? ZYXY here. We get crushed when you do your live sessions. It's not me. It's not me. It's really not. I don't think it's me, is it? It's not me. All in, baby. All in, 100%, baby. All in. All the time. We're all in all the time. Oh, that's my market clock right there. Market clock. What time is it to you guys? Ooh, maybe I'll put it down here. Maybe it'll look a little better, you know? Like, do. No title bar. Okay, now look at it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, no title bar. I like that. Ooh, do. Ooh, maybe I can configure it now. Background color, black. Yeah, okay, nice. Okay, text color. We'll do white. Nice, okay, beautiful. Ooh, what's analog look like? Wow, that looked really weird. ZYXY. Am I going to switch to TD Ameritrade now that the commissions are free? Nope. The only problem with like TD Ameritrade and the commissions and stuff is that it's going to be I don't know. I feel like the fills are going to be so bad at this point. ZYXY, do we buy the dip right here looking for a little pop? What are you thinking? Ooh. UNFY bouncing from 780 up there to 850 now. VHC trying to find some bounce here from the 545 area. And PGNX trying to push back up there to the $5 area. So got a couple of little stocks moving around this morning. Oh gosh. I'm dying. I'm literally dying right now. Hope you guys are happy that I might be dying and I'm still live streaming. This is what I do for you guys. What's up with the VIX? Woo, baby. The SPY dropping through 291 support there. Losing that 291 support and just going lower. Do we get back below 290 today? That's the question. Look at this. We are going lower, people. Woo! Wow. TVIX there up to the 1590 area, pulling a little bit of a pullback, but the SPY here. It's a bloody day in the markets. Bloody day in the markets. Bloody day. Bloody days. GoPro getting hammered here. Back down to the 520s now. Should have shorted that bitch. Should have shorted it. Story of my life. Story of my life. ZYXY. I'm wondering, I think we might be able to get a push, maybe like up to the $11 area, and then look for a little short, maybe. Could be a possibility. I'm looking at it like that, maybe. Maybe $11 area gets short on ZYXY. Huh. We'll see. Ooh, the SPY. Ooh, the SPY. It's watched to go. It wants to get through that 290 area. Oh, we're down 1% right now. The market is down 1% currently. That is not good for business. It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine. We're live. We're live on YouTube. We're just singing for my people. Singing on the tube. 290. I'm kind of excited just to see what happens at the 290 area. You know, I love trading, man. I just love it, you know? I just love it. Naked. Wow. I just love it. Oh, I can't breathe anymore. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dying. All right, so we got a couple stocks this morning that all kind of pulled back there at open, down there to the VHC down to the 545 area, now kind of consolidating here at the 545 area. It could be maybe, you know, a little short something here. Wow, we'll see. When did I start trading? What is about almost 3 years ago now. Ooh, UNFI bouncing nicely here. Oh, no shares are short on UNFI now. Wow. Well, isn't that funny? Isn't that just very funny? What's wrong with futures? Nothing wrong with futures. SPXS. Overall direction, what is that? Direction, daily direction. What does that follow? I don't even know what that follows. I'm a terrible trader. EXK. Ooh, little silver company. Silver stock. Little bounce around there. Nothing popping up on the scanner right now. Literally. I mean, there has not been one alert this morning. Look at this. New high breakout scanner. Not one alert from today. This is from yesterday. PT was yesterday. We got IMRN was the only thing this morning. This is live. This is the live. Oh, God. Well, we lost it now. But this is a live scanner, right? IMRN. It's the only thing that popped up on the scanner today. Huh. That's how slow the market is right now. Only one thing popping up on the scanner. And what are we? It's 9:40. The market has been open for 11 minutes so far, and we've only got one stock popping up on the scanner this morning. TSG up there to the 2020 area. Ooh, TSG. I kind of like TSG, maybe a little short, you know. Maybe just take like 100 shares here at this maybe a little. What is up with TSG today? No, just waiting for TSG to get a little bit more overextended here. Waiting for TSG to get a little bit more overextended here. Made $60. Joel made $60 first day trading. Hell yeah, my friend. That's what it's all about right there. A little bit of green, baby. A little bit of green. VHC also pushing back up here this morning. Also pushing back up there. Still not one stock. Not one stock. Other than IMRN popping up on the scanner so far. Wow. That's pretty funny. Somebody said that they made $60 for the first day of trading, and somebody else replied, "It's all downhill from there." Oh, you got some real comedians in the live stream. Got some real comedians. I like it. It's all downhill from there. That's pretty good. If I could tip somebody, I'd tip them right now, but it doesn't work that way. So just sitting here looking at TSG, possibly looking for a little bit more of a push up here, like into this like 2040 area maybe. Got just get a little bit more overextended here off the 1 minute chart. I'm using the Trade Ideas scanner this morning. Everything's live. We're trading. You can see here, looking for breaking out on volume stocks, and literally not one thing on the scanner right now. So You're going to have the gold. You're going to have precious metals moving today because the market is getting crushed. People, a lot of times, will end up kind of trying to hedge the market by buying into, we're about to get that break here, 290 on the SPY. Already got the break. So breaking below 290 here on the SPY. It's a red day. You know, I can't wait to watch. I wish I could pull it up right now. CNBC right now. I guarantee CNBC is just like shitting their pants. Like, it's the worst day we've seen in the last 100 days of trading. The market is crashing and nobody knows what's going on. I really should be a CNBC host. I don't know. I'm just saying. Donald Hensley. I know you're still watching. You got one goal, right? One goal in life. Are you ready for this? You got one goal. That goal is to get Patrick Whelan on a CNBC TV show. That's all you got. That's all you got to do. That's all I want from you, Donald Hensley. Come on. Let's make this happen. If anybody can make this happen, it's my boy. I don't want to be on some like 12 a.m. show either. I want to be prime time. Get me on that prime time show. CNBC, Patrick Whelan, #1 YouTube trader in the world. I feel like it's meant to be, you know. TSG up there to 240 now. He's trying to call me right now? Is this, you know we're live streaming right now, right?
Yo, I know you're live, but I'm definitely going to try and get you on there right now.
You're on the speaker. I just want you to know that. Just letting you know. Don't say anything, bad right now. He hung up. Are you still there?
I'm not going to say anything, Pat.
All right.
Ready for this?
Yeah, let's hear it.
I'm going to call my friends down at the exchange. I'm going to see if I can't get you on there. If I do, we got to have a contest for your subs. I want to take some of your subs fishing out on your boat. How about that?
So you get me on the exchange, and then I go fishing also. I mean, where's the catch? Let me know what the catch is.
Dude, there's no catch. There's no catch. It's all about, you know what I mean, having a good time.
I like it.
Seriously.
I like it.
Like, tell your friends when they watch CNBC, one of our floor brokers is Katona Company. That's the dark blue shirt, 2 and 3. You met them when we were there last time.
Yeah, Katona Company. I got in trouble. Remember, we got in trouble for filming on the floor?
Yeah, well, you got in trouble. I pretended like I didn't know you.
No, I told him it was you. You said I could film there.
It's all good. I'm going to call them today.
All right.
See if they know anybody at CNBC. If I put a little interview together, if I come through on this, I want to take the boys fishing out on your boat. What do you think about that?
I like it. In general, I just like it in general. Fishing, me on CNBC, that's all. I like it. I won't ever complain about those two things.
Bro, I got a business to run. I'm going to flash, but
all right.
I'll give you an update.
There you go. Donald Hensley live on the stream right now. I'll talk to you later, baby. All right, so TSG just pushing right now. Just pushing. She's just pushing here. I don't know. What are we thinking? Are we thinking short at this point? Maybe like at that 10.6, 10. We kind of pushed through that resistance there, 1040. So I might give it a little bit more time. Maybe we push all the way up to here. Maybe that'll be kind of our target to get short there at the 2080 area. Could you guys imagine? The funny thing is, could you imagine if I actually get on CNBC? If I got on CNBC, God, the comments, the haters, they would shit their pants. They'd be so mad. They'd be so mad. IMRN just going lower, down there to $3 now. Literally. What is happening? VHC, nice little pop on VHC there. Up there to the 580s, pulling back down there to the 560s now. Nice little pop. Jason, $57 loss. My friend, what is happening? What's going on over there? If you guys don't know, well, if you don't know, Donald Hensley, the guy, he can make something happen. That's all I'm saying. Get on Mad Money with Kramer. I met Kramer one time, actually. I did meet Kramer. I met Kramer. He was pretty cool. Actually, talked about life, tribulations, stuff like that. I don't think I could grow a ponytail for CNBC. I don't think I could. But it would be cool. We're thinking, I think I might just maybe buy the dip here on TSG. Maybe I'll like a little bit more dip down here, like the 2030 area. Could be kind of interesting. I just buy a little bit right there. See if we can't get this to push up on TSG here. Just playing with 100 shares, just kind of messing around here. Oh, come on. That was a dip. I could have just been a little bit more patient there, Patrick. Silly. You silly kid. Could have been a little bit more patient there for that dip down to the 2030. But we got it. Pushed down there. Pulled back there, I guess. Let's see if this can start to push back up here. Playing this with a stop at the, I don't know what we're saying, 2020 area maybe. On TSG. Just messing around right now. Just 100 shares. Just having a little bit of fun. Staying focused here. I'm trying to stay focused. I might buy a little bit more here. I'll buy a little bit more right there just to see if we can't get this breakout to the upside. Why is my resistance line there at 2080? Well, because we had a little bit of resistance there on the daily chart, on the 1 minute chart. Short TSG instead. Well, I'm already long, so I can't short it now. 2025 stop here on TSG. Looking for possible push up there to the $21 area on TSG. See, we can't make $10 here to pay for some Chipotle today. You know what I mean? Just need a little bit of Chipotle. Just need a little bit of money for Chipotle. Just a little bit of money. Just a little bit of money for Chipotle, for Chipotle. How am I down? Man. Looking to get this to push here. Get her to push. Pushity, push. Looking for the little bit of a push here. Chipotle. There we go. Trying to get that Chipotle bowl. We're trying to buy a Chipotle bowl right now, my friends. Let's see if we can get a good little Chipotle bowl here. Oh, we got $3. We can get an iced tea. Can we get the full deal? Can we get the full lunch today? TSG wants to buy me lunch. Oh, no. Oh, no, it's pulling back. I might not be able to eat lunch today. Won't be able to afford it. The 2030 area. Close eye on that. A little bit of support that's left there. We'll say maybe 2020 area here on TSG. Maybe might get a little dip down here at 2020. Just looking for a push here. Over 2050 should start the party. Oh, I might get, oh, no, just kidding. Bologna sandwich. I don't like bologna. I don't like bologna. Bologna sandwiches. Getting tight right here on TSG. That 2040 here needs a hold here. Right there, 2040. Oh, nope. And there's the drop we were afraid of. Might just be too much downward pressure in the overall market right now for TSG to push through here, but We were looking for it. Give it a little bit more space here. Hey, I can eat Chipotle today. Thank you. Thanks for the tip. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. I think it's how you say it, maybe. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Is that how you say it? I like it. $10 for the lunch. Hi ho. Nice. So I said it right. Correct. TSG just having a little bit of a battle here. I guess if I don't make any money here on TSG, I might have to punish myself and not eat today. Just won't allow myself to eat food. But we'll see. Did I eat all the fish from the freezer? Yeah, no more fish left. I haven't been fishing in a couple weeks now. I'm kind of getting a little landlocked. TSG, we got to hold this 1030 here. If we can't hold 1030, we're obviously going to have some trouble here. Trying to hold. The overall market just getting hammered right now, so not the best place to be in this current long position, but looking for maybe a little spike. We can hold that 1030, that 2030 here. We're consolidating. Looking at the volume right now. Consolidating through this move. Looking for a push here. Looking for a push. Looking for a push. Looking for a push, push, push. We got free commission still on SureTrader right now, so looking for a little bit of a push here. Taking a little bit of profit there. Getting my $4. Getting my drink. Paying for that drink at Chipotle now. Let's see if we can get a steak bowl or just the chicken bowl. That's the next question. MTP. What's up with MTP? MTP popping there. Up there $1.70 now. Yeah, I normally get a water cup. I'm not going to lie. I'm that guy. I usually get a water cup. It's just hard for me to pay all that money for, something that I don't really want in the first place. Well, I do kind of want, but I don't really want to pay for. Looking for a little bit more here. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. We're trying to get fill there, the 2070 area. No fill. Didn't get all the way up there, but give it a little bit more time here. I think we can push through the 2070 on TSG. We might as well just let it ride at least at this point. What we got? 2068 there on the top of that candle. See if we can push up through the 2070s here. On this right here. Hey, what is this doing? Oh. Why is this not filling me? I'm not getting any fill. It's really weird. Why is it not? I can't get any fill. Classic. I didn't get filled twice. That's really weird. Why is it not? What is it doing? What the hell? What is it doing right now? Couldn't get filled on the bid. I hit the bid twice so far and didn't get filled twice, so Very weird. Not sure what's happening. But now it's going to drop. Sell, holding, cancel. I put an order out to get to sell at 2069. Did not get filled as we are above 2070 there. What the hell? What is this magic? This magical problem here. Oh no, now I can get filled. No, still can't get filled. The contract is not available. That's great. So I can't get out of my position here. Oh gosh, I guess I gotta mark it out maybe. Maybe try to mark it here. Different route. What route are we right now? This is silly. This is just silly. I legit can't get out of this position right now. Would stops help? No, I can't stop. I can't do anything. I can't get out. I can't sell. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in it. This really is just buy more. Okay. Deal. Sounds like a good plan. Just buy. Okay. Hey, it lets me buy, but it won't let me sell. Isn't that convenient? Panic, panic. Watching this 2030 here. If we can't hold 2030, I'm going to end up getting out, hopefully. Well, I'm going to try to mark it out. Maybe if I can mark it out instead of using a limit order. We'll see here. Waiting for a little bit more of a push. I think as long as we can hold 2030, we should be all right here. My average cost is 2042, so looking for a spike over 2040 here. Do 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 do. Shift plus escape. I will not falter. I will not retreat. Come on, I want my $4. Give me my $4. I just want to make $4 here. Please. Please. I could have made $20, but I couldn't sell. So now I want to see if I can make $4. $4. Oh, come on. Just give it to me. Just give me that pop. Son of a gun. Couldn't get my $4. I got $20 in my pocket. Bum bum ba dum bum bum. Hey, Doc Smiley made $3. First trade. That's awesome. My first trade I ever made, I made $600 somehow. It was really just pure luck. I bought this this biotech company. I ended up trading this biotech stock, and it went up like 100% in one day, and I ended up making $600 somehow. So it's kind of funny. See if we can push here above 2050 on TSG. Getting a little bit of a balance in the SPY right now. Maybe we can get some buyers to kind of come over here and buy this push here above 2050. Looking. 2050, 2050, 2050, 2050. No. Oops. A bit of a battle right now. Bit of a battle. VHC short. VHC's having trouble right now there at the 560 area, but that 540 support looks pretty strong, so I'm not too sure about a short on VHC at this moment. Maybe if it breaks below 540, but it's kind of just stuck in that channel right now. You can see earlier it pushed from, what was it, the 550 up there to 580 pretty rapidly. I'm dying. I'm just dead. I'm not dying because of this trade. I'm dying because I've got some type of stuff going on. Sinus infection or something. I don't know what it is. It's really not fun. I can't breathe. Do I ever hold any trades overnight? Yeah, sometimes. Every once in a while. It just depends. Just really depends, you know, like depends. TSG looking for a pop here. Looking for that pop over 2050. If we can get up there. Oh, no, just a little bit of a tease right now. Just teasing us with the idea of getting over 10, 20, 50 here. Just a little bit of a tease. Come on, baby. Show me that. Show me what you're made of. Show me what you're made of, girl. Oh, teasing hard right now, that 2050 area. All right, so I can actually sell now if I use a market order. So we might be able to get out of this trade. We might be able to. Let's 2050, 2050. Come on. Oh, no. A little bit more. Come on. Oh. I just want to see 2050 on the bid. 2050 on the bid. 2050 on the bid. Give me 2050 on the bid. 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 Screw it. I'm going to take it because I'm going to get my Chipotle finally. Yeah, baby. We're getting that Chipotle today. I could have made like $20, but I couldn't sell earlier. That's kind of a pain in the ass. Probably going to push now. This is SureTrader. If anybody's wondering, this is SureTrader. Now it's going to push. Watch. Ring. TSG going to the moon. Get ready. I did that for you guys. For everybody who's long on TSG, I ended up selling for you guys. I wanted it to go higher for you. What was my risk to my reward? No risk, no reward, my friend. No risk, no reward. What we got popping right now? We got MTP. Let's take a look at MTP. MTP up there to the 170, pulling back down there to the 140 now. We got NIO up there to 158 and pulling back down there to the 149 now. So TSG going to $30. That's what I like to see. We're going to 30. $30 seems like a high price, but okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. How much does the decent scanner cost? Decent scanner costs $100, $2. Hey Raphael, I got a response for you. Oh, just deleted from the channel, just like that. Remember, people, I am God. I am God of this channel. If you want to come talk your blasphemy, I will smite you down to the ground, down to the hellhole that you came from. Go back to your hellhole, Raphael. That's what happens. You mess with fire, you get burnt, baby. You mess with fire, you get burnt. He was just talking about some bullshit about my risk reward. He said that I was worse than Ross because of my risk reward on that trade. Like, let's be honest here, people. Did anybody actually think that was a serious trade? Did any of you guys think that TSG was like, I was really like serious about TSG? I bought 100 shares. Come on now. Let's all be honest here. Nobody thought that was a serious trade. That was just messing around. Yeah. Yeah, that was just we were playing, you know, just having a little something to talk about. TSG pulling back down there to 2040 now, so not too bad. Yeah, I mean, it was. Am I going to make a video about this trade and put it on my YouTube channel bragging about this trade? Possibly. I could. I possibly might, but I probably won't. But yeah, I mean, this wasn't like a trade that I was trying to brag about. It was just a fun little trade here. Have I tried Webull? I have not tried Webull. Webull literally like emails me every day trying to get me to promote them. Literally every day. I get an email from somebody at Webull every single day. They're like, Mr. Whelan, would you love to partner with us? I'm like, no. Leave me alone. Stop emailing me, people. I don't have anything against Webull. I don't have anything against it, but yeah, I haven't used it. You should make a YouTube video on how much money you make from these live streams. I make no money from live streams. Literally. No money. Like $5. I'll live stream for like hours and only make $5. I'll make a video about my breakup and I'll make thousands of dollars. I mean, tell me how that works. Talk about YouTube being broken. Ford Motor Company getting crushed this morning from the 890 area down there to 844, bouncing back up there to 864. So just going through here, still look at this scanner right now, really looking bleak. Looking bleak there. Really bleak on the scanner right now. GoPro down there to $5.14. Looks like the SPY found a bounce there. Let's look at the SPY right now. What's going on with the overall markets? Got a little bounce here at the 289 area. Look at that. 289.10 on that low. 289.27. So kind of right in that area. A little bit of a bounce there. Nice little gap down this morning. The market getting hammered today and yesterday from 298 down there to 289. So yeah, a little pop, little drop. NIO pop. Nope, no prop. TVIX. What's up with TVIX right now? Nice little move this morning on TVIX from the 1535 area up there to 1620. Obviously pulling back now that the SPY is bouncing. If you don't understand how that works, obviously the volatility plays into the market. You know, if the market's being more volatile, then the VIX goes up, and vice versa. So if you're ever trading TVIX, TVIX is not a stock like that's based on fundamentals or like a company. TVIX is a ETF that follows the VIX, 3 times the VIX, right? The move of the VIX, I think it is 3 times or 2 times the VIX. So when the SPY is crashing, if the SPY is crashing, the VIX obviously is moving. The volatility index is moving. So then TVIX is moving. So a lot of people get that confused. People I see are like, man, I've been buying the dip on TVIX. I think it's a great buy. I'm like, what? What? You're buying the dip on TVIX? That's not how it works, my friends. That's not how it works. This is how it works. It just goes lower and lower forever. TVIX is built to go lower, basically, if that makes sense. With time, decay, with everything that's built into it, it's basically meant to go to zero. This is not. You're gonna get pops. You're gonna get pops, obviously. Obviously, if the SPY goes to zero, then TVIX is gonna be, it could go like to the moon, but at some point it's gonna come back down. What's up with Neo? Neo just getting crushed as well this morning, going from $1.20 up there to $1.58, pulling back down there to $1.44. So it's pretty boring right now. At least I got my Chipotle for today. Made $12.50 there on TSG earlier. So I'm not gonna complain. Little Chipotle, little Chipotle action. It could be worse. The last couple of days I've live streamed, I've been red, so I'm happy that I can at least afford Chipotle today. TSG right there on that 5 minute. On the 5 minute right there. Getting tight. Getting real tight right here. On TSG so far. Getting really tight. Real tight. Real tight. Oh, it's a 10:15 now. Not sure how long I'm going to live stream today. It looks like it's just I don't know. It's looking kind of blah. You could say it's looking blah right now. So looking blah. No volume on TSG, really? I mean, each 1 minute candle has 300,000, 200,000, 400,000, 280,000. That's seems like a pretty decent volume. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong here. Seems like it's got volume though. All I know is that I'm hoping and I'm praying that October 21st through the 25th, when we do the YouTuber trading contest, that we have, some volatility. I'm hoping that there's some volatility in the markets. So, like I said earlier, my goal for that contest, number 1 goal is not to blow up. Number 2 goal is to not blow up. And number 3 goal is to not blow up. So, that's the goals. That's all it comes down to. Not blowing up, baby. SPY bouncing back there from the 289 area back up there to 290 now. Is this going to break through here, or is this the turning point? Looking like this might just be a turning point here. Just kind of roll back off. I don't know. It's kind of 5 minute chart, 1 minute chart pushing up into that resistance. Got the VWAP, the EMAs there, 290 right now. Could be trouble. Could be trouble. Overstock today going from 930 up there to 1085 right now. So it's bouncing, it's moving, it's making some moves. Keeping an eye on the scanner for you guys right now. Keeping an eye on the scanner for you, just to see, you know, what's moving, what's not. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, overstock. Looking really overextended right here. Looking really overextended. Yeah, that's the short. Looking really overextended. Overstock. Overextended. ZYXY bouncing around there. OSTK. Oh. I'm melting. I'm melting. I'm melting. We got some resistance coming up there at the $11 here on Overstock. So we'll see kind of what happens here at the $11 area right now. And then after that, kind of 11.10. So yesterday, the high was 11.10. And the resistance was right there at 11. So it's not overextended until it reaches 100 RSI. I don't know about that. I've never been a big fan of RSI. You know? I don't know. I've never been a big fan of RSI. I just think the overstock right now is just really overextended. If you get stuck at that $11 area, it should get a little bit of a pullback here, right? I mean, in theory, the idea that stocks move in waves. I mean, it's due for a pullback, right? This is a 5-minute chart. It's due for some type of pullback here. Definitely due for a pullback. How much volume do you look for on the 1-minute chart? I mean, if you have 100,000 shares traded on the 1-minute chart, I mean, that's pretty good volume, right? I mean, I might be wrong, but that's what I would believe. Black Monday is short on Overstock right now. He's short. Let's see if it pays off for him. A little bit of a pullback there from 1094 back down there to 1067. So let's see, how low can we go? How low can we go? How low can we go? Ooh, Steven Mariano getting short on TSG now. Everybody's getting short. Everyone's getting short. We just talked about how, what about a minute ago? We talked about OSTK here just being a little overextended, you know, just a little bit overextended. And there's that pullback now finally. So nice little pullback from the 1090 area down there to 1060. It's not bad. That's not bad. A little bit of money. You can see here on the 1-minute chart a little bit better idea. Getting stuck there at 1095, pulling back down there to the 1060s now. So 10 cents for 40 cent risk reward. Where's the guy earlier, Raphael, who was talking about the risk reward? He should have been proud of this one. He should have been, but he probably wasn't. He's still probably mad. TSG just not doing it there, so I'm happy that I got out when I did, obviously. I'm happy. Overstock wanting to pull back down there. Ooh, oochie, wow. Ugh. If somebody shoot, yeah. What's TSG at now? Yeah, Steven Mariano shorted TSG at 2039. Now it's down there to 2016. So nice work. Nice work. Nice work. People making some money in the live stream. Making money in the live stream right now. That's what it's all about. Even if I'm not getting rich, at least somebody's getting rich around here. After this, I'm going to go work my day job at McDonald's, flipping burgers. Someone's got to do it. Steven Mariano making $175. There you go, my friend. Oh. This really is not fun. This sinus thing. My nose is all clogged up. My ears are all clogged up. So painful. Ugh. Picture perfect move on TSG. I want to see a picture perfect move. Ooh, that's picture perfect. Trading con Javier. Why don't you trade futures? I made $187 today. Pretty nice. Oh. Yep, no more commissions at TD Ameritrade. Am I green on the day? Hell yeah, I'm green on the day. I'm Chipotle green, baby. I'm Chipotle green. Traded TSG with 100 shares earlier. Made a little bit of money. So. My moving averages are exponential moving average, EMA 20, and an EMA 9. So. Yeah, that's what you're seeing. The yellow line is the 9 EMA. The red line is the 20 EMA. Like in my head right now, right? Personally, I'm looking at OSTK here as kind of like a short opportunity, right? So that's kind of why I'm just keeping an eye on it, because I'm just, not that I'm going to trade it, but I'm just like looking at it kind of like, I want to see what happens from here, you know? Like, was I right? Was I wrong? Not that I'm right or wrong, but is this, should I be shorting here? You know, should I be shorting? That's the question. Obviously, we got that support there, but we're still overextended there on the 5-minute chart. Oh, somebody asked, why don't I use the VWAP? The VWAP is on the chart, that white line. Can you see that? Is it too small? I always feel like these lines are too small. Let me see if I can change that kind of. How do you do that? I can't forget. How do you make that line? Oh, no. Wait. Study configure. Moving average. Oh, there you go. Make this lines a little thicker for you guys. All right, so I need to save that. I did that the other day and it didn't save. All right, there we go. Did I learn from someone? I learned a lot of it was just learning how to just stay alive, really. I don't know. A lot of it was YouTube, just kind of watching different videos and all that. So OSTK having trouble here. OSTK. Did I take any classes? No classes, no courses, no DVDs, baby. None of that shit. None of that shit, that's for sure. I didn't go to college, so let's talk about this. I did not go to college, so do you really think I was going to spend money on day trading courses? Probably not. So OSTK looking ripe right here. Looking ripe for a short. For kind of having trouble there at the 1080 area. Now down there at the 1055. Thinking we might pull down here to the VWAP down there at the 1020. Looking ripe, looking ripe. SPY heading lower here. I don't have any. I need to get some more hit the bid shirts made. I don't have any right now. How do you survive with commissions and ECN scalping like that? Well, right now there's no commissions, and there's no commissions until I think tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow they have commissions again at SureTrader, but right now there was no commissions. So that's why it wasn't a big deal. And then all the other brokers are now starting to have no commissions as well. So yeah, you told me. Everybody always tells me to take a short, but then when I don't make it, when I lose money, nobody ever tells me that they're going to pay my bills. You know? So I'm looking for the right person who wants to tell me to take a trade and also wants to cover my losses. You know that's what I'm looking for. ZYXY up there to $11 this morning. From $10 up there to $11. Are they sacrificing execution quality for zero commissions? Probably. There's got to be some type of sacrifice. There's got to be. You can't give up millions and millions of dollars in revenue and have the same product. You just can't do it. The SPY going lower now. We talked about that earlier. That VWAP, that SPY right there. On the 5-minute and on the 1-minute chart, you can see here. On the 1-minute, we pulled up that 290 area. On the 5-minute, we pulled up that 290 area. And there we go. Pulling back there to the 285 area. Now, they're giving up $250 million per quarter. $250 million per quarter. So that's $1 billion a year they're giving up. And I don't know about you guys, but $1 billion is a lot of money. And TD Ameritrade, they make 25% of their net revenue comes from trading commissions. So obviously that's a big chunk of money coming from their their revenue. OSTK trying to pull back here. I'm thinking, like we said earlier, the 1020 area. So Patrick, how's your experience with Prime Bits so far? It's been pretty good. Making a little bit of money trading Bitcoin. It's hard to say what's going to happen really from here on out, but yeah, I don't know. Oh my gosh. This sucks. The market's slow. I got some kind of sinus infection. And then, just what a boring day. Oh, yeah, trust me. Like, they're not going to go broke. Like, TD Ameritrade is not going to go out of business. I mean, they're still going to make tons of money from order flow. You know, they're just going to they're going to be more aggressive about selling order flows, what it comes down to, I guess. You know, at the end of the day, they're going to create more volume because they have less commissions. People are going to be trading more. I guarantee it that people are going to be trading more because they're not paying commissions. So, I mean, that just makes sense. And in return, TD Ameritrade is going to make more money from the order flow. So, I'm sure it'll kind of level out at some point. You know, they'll figure out a way to make money. Like people said, you know, increasing the spread. You know, making money off the spread a little bit more. They're gonna be getting more. You're gonna get more customers in general because, you know, it's just free commissions. People are gonna want to trade more. The SPY now down to 288. Oof. We're down 1.6% today, right now. This is not looking good, my friends. TQQ, following the NASDAQ. This is the 3 times ETF that follows the NASDAQ. SQQQ also is the inverse of the NASDAQ. So you got those two stocks moving around big today. And OSTK. We'll see what happens here. Short OSTK at 1060. All right. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Get ready. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Nope. Wait. Hold it. Oh. Nope. Not going to. Oh, missed out. No fill. Damn it. Looking for a little bit more. Come on, push back up there. OSTK does. See if I can push back up there. 1060 area. I didn't hesitate. I was just kind of was focused on something else. Yeah, PDT is a major issue. Definitely a major issue there on PDT. I mean, it only went to 1060 right there, so I wasn't going to get filled. I needed a little bit more push, maybe like 1061. Joel, you can't. No. It doesn't work like that. If you trade with only a cash account, then you're limiting yourself because you don't have any margin. So if you make one trade, that's the total value of your account. Well, then you can't make any more trades the rest of the next 3 days or whatever. So that trading with a cash account is very hard. It's very difficult in that sense. Look up what Webull says about their settled funds. I mean, I'm not saying it's impossible to trade with a cash account, but it is. I think it's difficult. You know, it's obviously difficult to trade with a cash account. You got to be honest. I mean, it's difficult. You know. It's difficult. Is it the easiest way to do it? No, definitely not the easiest way. All right, so we're still thinking about shorting OSTK if we can get a push back up here to the 1060 area. Is that the plan? Oh, now we're shorting 1050. Oh, come on. Bum chicky bum, bum chicky bum, bum 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 ba-dum bum. Sorted at 1045. Okay, Joel's looking to make some more money today. Ooh. OSTK. 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 I'm telling you why Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows when you've been good. He knows when you've been bad. He knows when OSTK wants to go higher and then it wants to go back down. Santa Claus is coming to town. Just sitting back here, kind of just hanging out right now. Kind of bored, kind of sick. Just looking for a little bit more of a push back up here on OSTK. Hey, Amar made $70 on TSG. Nice work. Nice work. Patrick, what broker would you recommend for a small account for shorting? Do you want an onshore broker or an offshore broker? Definitely SureTrader would be the best option if you're looking for a USA broker. You're going to get all the best locates and all that, so you can check them out. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of options offshore. It really just depends on what your risk tolerance is. I've been using SureTrader for the last like 3 years, so I've had an account with them for the last 3 years, so I'm too lazy to go somewhere else. Basically, is what it comes down to. When all these other offshore brokers opened up, I just was like, a little bit too lazy. I guess might not be a good thing though. What do you think of the new tax rule? 60-40%. What's the new tax rule? I don't know about it. Let me know about it. Let me know about that new tax rule. Better not shout. You better not cry. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. I got 100 shares short. What a terrible fill there. Wow. Really bad fill on OSTK. Really bad fill here. Getting short there at the 1050. Oof. Oopsies. Looking for a little bit more push, maybe up here to the 1060 area. See if we can get the bid to pop up there. Let me see if I can get some more, a little bit more fill up in the 1060s. Here on OSTK. PG&X. Aurora Cannabis getting killed 5 to 6% lower every day. What's up with that? Your question is a valid question. Not sure. I think a lot of the kind of cannabis vaping type, seems like vaping is basically over with, or in terms of like being cool. Vaping's being cool. Vaping is no longer going to be cool anymore. A bunch of stuff came out with Juul. Juul got crushed recently. But, yeah. Hey, I might get 2 Chipotle bowls today. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? We're going for 2 Chipotle bowls. There's 1 Chipotle bowl. We might get 3 Chipotle bowls. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Would you just look at it? That's such a good video. Well, you just look at it. Just look at that. Just look at it. Great. I love that. Yeah, I want to go watch it right now, actually. Once this live stream's over, I'm going to go watch that. It's this great little video. Looking for maybe just a little bit more here on the downside here on OSTK. What do I think about Belzerian's company? I mean, I like the guy, that's for sure. I want to be his best friend. I keep telling him, I keep texting him and say, hey, Dan, let's be friends. I want to hang out with you, man. And he just keeps saying, nah, no gingers allowed. He told me that. He said, no gingers allowed. I thought it was kind of messed up. I've known Dan for a long time. But, yeah, just something about being a ginger. He doesn't like gingers. I don't know why. Can we get down to the low 1040s here to get a little cover? A little. We're going to take that right there. We're getting 3 Chipotle bowls today, baby. Ooh, baby. We are eating good today. We got 3 Chipotle bowls. If anybody wants to come meet me at Chipotle later on, I might even buy you a Chipotle bowl. Chipotle bowls for everyone. Only 2 people because I can only afford 3. So I'll buy 2 Chipotle bowls for whoever else wants a Chipotle bowl. OSTK down there now to the 1040. Pulling back. The address. SEES halted. Okay. What's going on here? Halted on 26. No volume, really. The Fort Lauderdale Chipotle is probably infested and nasty. What? Why do you talk like that? What? The Fort Lauderdale Chipotle is not infested and nasty. It's beautiful. Sunrise and US 1. Oh, nice. I live in Fort Lauderdale. Not far from you. Now, Florida's a great place. I love Florida. I've lived here my whole entire life. I was born in Florida. I'll probably die in Florida. You know, I've been all over the world, but I always end up coming back to Florida. So, I don't know. I like it. I'll stay here for a little bit longer at least until they kick me out. Man. Todd Stewart wants to go hunting for Burmese pythons. There you go. That's pretty funny. So there it is. Making some Chipotle money today. Pretty slow day in the market. Market getting crushed right now. If you had an appetite for a risk today, might have been a good day to be playing the VIX. TVIX now up there to 1650, so it's up 12% so far. It's a pretty nice little day. Pretty nice little day so far. So I'm having fun. That's what it's all about. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, just a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just walk away at this point. And we'll go get some Chipotle. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. One big favor. Go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, all the buttons. If there's a button on the screen, go ahead and hit that button. Just don't hit the thumbs down button. Just the up button. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of mosey on out of here. So talk to you guys later on.